Well, hi Internet, it's Andrew again. Today I'm going to give you a little update, a very exciting update, because Kiss Nursery has had its first sale. Oh, how exciting! About 3 days ago, I sold one of these. And it's just a lovely little ceramic pot. The saucers are attached to it. It's one piece. And I sold one of those with one of these for $9. Finally, things are moving a little bit. The first few inquiries I've had shows that there are people on Marketplace looking at plants. There is some money to be made, and I think people are looking for like a set product. Maybe not so much these little ones, but definitely something in a pot. So I think we'll keep working on getting some nice, some nicely presented plants in a pot to pick. So I just put it on Marketplace, and I've had a few inquiries actually, but yeah, they're definitely the one with the pots. I think the pots really got a few people interested. The ceramic pots, they were only, what did I pay for them? I think they were on special at Bunnings for like $3. So I've got a whole bunch of them, and so I've made a tidy little profit. Where am I at here? So things are ongoing. I've got a couple of new little ones down there starting, and I have acquired, let me show you over here. And this is one of these over here. Now, this is one of my favorite plants. Don't ask me the name. I'll look it up for you for the next video. But this beautiful little thing here, it's got this sort of glowy purple bits underneath. They're purple. Do you know the name of it? I don't know the name of it. A bit of a story behind that. Back in 1996, I think it was 96. My mum had a beauty therapy shop, and she needed me to get some change for her. She sent me off to the local fruit shop to get some change. So I had to buy something to get some change, because that's the nice thing to do. And so I bought that plant, this plant over here. What is it? Yep, this one here. I bought one of them. This is still stock from that plant from 1996. So it's been spread around everywhere. It's been all over the place. But that's an offcut from that plant. Yeah, so I had to choose one, and I chose that plant from the shop, and here we are. In 2020, a whole 23 years later, still getting cuts from that plant. So here's what's happened. So I've got some of them, these little ones here, you can see them sort of cut, little cuttings that way. Mum said just shove it in the ground. So I've done that. So they look pretty good, but these ones up here look a little bit poor. So they've had, I think, 1 day without water. They're very water thirsty. They love their water. So they're a bit wilted, but I'm going to leave them anyway just to see if they recover. But I will need to water them a little bit more frequently. So yeah, so now I've got some of those coming. Let's have a look over here. Some of these out here, they're getting a little bit sun hardened. Yeah, they're looking good. A lot of different types of jade. So yeah, excited to finally make a sale, and yeah, all going well. So anyway, just a little update for everybody if you're interested. And oh yes, that's right, I've got another little experiment running over here, which is a little jade in a bottle of Iron Jack. And just to see if that goes. Anyway, little experiment. See if I can grow succulents in bee bottles. Okay, so at the moment the running total of the total profit, total income is $9, and so that's where we're at the moment. And hopefully we'll be able to report some more as we go along. Alright guys and girls, well that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this little update, and we're plugging along. Yeah, having lots of fun getting out and looking after my little plants. And bye everybody.